Aubade Beginning in Handcuffs. Sometimes I pronounce Aubade obeyed, for the way this particular desire stumbles the tongue. Hunger's vocabulary is a fickle thing. How many lovers have said that they adore me, but meant instead they saw in me a door? Language shifts an image like the light. To lash can mean both beat and bind. I'm lashed against the bed by dawn's red blaze. The whole room welted, tidy by the sky between the blinds. To cuff can also mean to hold or harm. Each word doubled body and a body's shadow. I want, and all at once I flicker beneath you. I beg you to bruise me and so exchange faggot for fruit. Oh, how gentle lust alters a body, conjugates prey into prayer. The history of handcuffs is old as myth, if memory serves. The legend goes, a Greek hero invented them to steal prophecy from the mouth of a shapeshifter god, and the story gathered blood from there. The root of the word religion is a Latin verb meaning to bind, as in the worshiper is bound to their god, two hands paired in steel or prayer. When I say obey, I mean we have chosen the softer side of every verb, dulled the sharp edge of a memory, sea glass against the tongue. For the first time, when the handcuffs steel lips unkiss my wrists, as morning stains every surface, a fading bruise, I am already free, as the first breath after confession.